this is Louis and welcome to First Start. I'm looking at this shed over here because I'm going to need one soon in the future. This shed though is a little bit too big by 2 feet and the price is a little high. Even though I do get 10% discount on the order, it's still a little bit too big for what I need. This is a 7x7, I need a 7x4. So I'm going to keep looking. I did find something somewhere else in another hardware store. I'm going to a hardware store right now because I need to do some work around the house. I need to insulate some pipes and I need to take care of the house, basically winterize it. And the reason I'm doing this is because my wife and I decided to go out of this freezing Antarctic that we have here and go to some warmer climate and hang out there for at least a month in the winter time. So let me go in the store and I'm going to get the stuff that I need to buy and we'll talk about this later.